All right, I'm going to give you the 15-second tour. There's my hot tub. There's my big yard. But I have picked up the rugs that were in here. So you come in here. I need to get rid of his dog thing. But this is like the mud room. There's all my stuff. But you walk in, you have this nice kitchen. Just ignore the cleaning stuff. But the good thing is the kitchen is in pretty good shape. They put new, trash can things and got nice corner cupboards and all that stuff. So then there's the living room, which is nice to have. I don't use it. It's Mom and Dad's chair. So, if they've got furniture, excuse the ladder that's just randomly sitting in the middle. Probably pick up the dog bed. I have not vacuumed, but this is the dining area. This is my stand-up desk area, so they can turn it into whatever they want to. That's the den. Then you have the sunroom, which is lovely. Tober's looking at me like, "What are you doing?" The air conditioning just came on. So there's and this is a pretty good sized room because that's like 9 feet across there. There's one room, that's the craft room, so it's kind of a disaster area. This is the second bedroom. It's pretty good size. Got a good size, but all of them have good size closets, so that's always nice. I got crap in there. Oh, there's where that picture frame I was looking for. Wonder where the hell that went. All right, there's the bathroom that I'm in the process of cleaning, but it's in pretty good shape. This is the one they had redone. Well, this is going to be bigger than I thought, so I'm going to put it on YouTube. But, and this is the beadboard that I put up on this wall because that wall looked hideous. So, excuse the fan. Excuse the unmade bed. I'll make it up before they come tomorrow. But I have a good sized closet in there. This is a pretty good sized room. It's got a dresser. I got 2 dressers obviously in here. Those shelves were already up there, so I did not remove them. And this is the bathroom that I thought, and it's still a mess. I'll throw all my shit under the cabinet before they come in tomorrow. But it's got plenty of, they could turn this into a nice sized bathroom if you want to come in here and modernize it. Get rid of that. And get rid of the kind of mobile home shower. Works fine for me, but, so that's kind of the tour, I guess, yeah.